Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Marketport brought to you by Mike Buer. Today is Monday, September 29th. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Just a couple of economic news we're over today. We got the personal income for the month of August. So back in July, we had a 0.2% increase. The forecast was zero point 0.3, and it went up 0.3%. So people are making more money, which is great news. Consumer spending, we had zero back in so no spending back in July. Forecast was supposed to be up 4.4% and actually went up 0.5%. So good news, people are making more money and spending more money. Then we also got the core PCE. This is the personal consumption expenditure, which is the Fed's favorite gauge for inflation. And the core is where you strip out the food and energy, creates less volatility. So this is the actual number that the Fed will look at in determining the consumer inflation numbers. So we had July 0.1%. It was supposed to be zero, and it came in at 0.1. Still very modest, still very low in terms of our inflation. So we don't have a threat as of yet in terms of inflation. And then pending home sales, obviously looks like it came in very disappointing. So we had a 3.2 back in percent increase in spending or pending home sales. August it was a negative. It pulled back in 1% in August. So very disappointing in that aspect there. Currently, the stock market's down. We had a nice little rally on Friday. Today's the opposite. Part of it is we got some unrest going on in Hong Kong with the protests, and unfortunately, the police came out and started creating a little bit more havoc over there. And now you get more numbers coming out in the streets. So, therefore, banks and a lot of businesses are being closed as a result uh, of these protests over there. Fed member Evans spoke earlier today, and basically one of the comments he mentioned was that he doesn't foresee rates going up anytime soon. He doesn't feel that inflation's an issue that some economists may have seen or are forecasting that inflation could be as a result. So as of right now, he doesn't forecast rates going up as a result due to inflation. He's going to be a voting member in 2015, so that would be important because that's the time frame as to when they're expecting to start raising interest rates. The concern was that they're supposed to do it around around the summer or fall, to maybe moving it up to maybe the spring. So that was the concern. So he'll be a voting member of that group when that arrives. Bond market, nice day today. We got a nice little rally going on here, so we'll have a nice improvement of the interest rates today. So good news Monday, a nice way to start our work week here for those who are looking for homes and looking at interest rates. So as a result, nice improvement in the interest rates today. All right, folks, you guys have a wonderful day. We got a lot of economic news this week. Some of the big ticket items this week will be the ECB will be meeting this week. See what kind of conclusions they have. So investors will be watching that, as well as we got job numbers, the non-farm payroll job numbers coming out this week as well. So those will be key things to watch out for this week. All right, you guys have a wonderful day, and see you guys tomorrow.